Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to disable timeline in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to disable timeline in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application, guys, in order to disable your timeline in Google Maps, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture icon, which is at the top right corner over here. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see your timeline option available for us just below your profile. Tap on your timeline, and when this loads, guys, at the top right corner again there is the three dotted icon available for us over here. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of this interface and tap on location and privacy settings over here, and then this kind of interface will appear. And if you scroll down, you can see, guys, under the location settings there is the timeline function. Now in order to disable the timeline in Google Maps, tap on timeline is on over here and let the page load. Choose the account of which you want to deactivate or disable the timeline, and when you land over here, if you scroll down, you can see, guys, it says timeline is currently on. In order to turn off or disable the timeline in Google Maps, tap on the turn off button at the right side over here and let's tap on it, and this kind of interface will appear. And if you want to turn off and delete the activity of your Google Maps, then tap on turn off and delete activity. But if not, if you just want to turn it off, tap on the turn off and that will be disabled, guys. You can see it says timeline is off and tap on got it, and here it says your timeline data has been deleted, and let's tap on got it, and you can see, guys, it has been turned on where it says the disable timeline in Google Maps. We have successfully disabled the timeline in Google Maps, guys. And guys, this is how to disable timeline in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.